Check 1. The former check we must perform is on the wearing of the milling tools. Points help us recognize whether we're dealing with 3 to 4 mm slat thickness tools, 3 dots, or 2 to 2.9 mm, 2 dots. The wearing show himself mostly on the toothing of the tools and on the cleaning edges. A notch helps us understand the level of wearing and when the tool is completely gone. It is important to note that the tools are mountable and removable by means of a press-fit fastener, on which it is also present a screw, which can be used in the event they got completely stuck. Left and right tools can be switched once, so that we can utilize the tool cleaning edges full length. Also, the two driving shafts present different shapes. This prevents the tool to be wrong mounted. While mounting the tools, the only thing left to the user is to mount them with aligned edges. Toothing versus toothing and cleaning edge versus cleaning edge. It is also very important to check the fastening. We check the movement of the balls and the spring. If they're not working properly, we clean them and oil them, and then check the mechanism once again. Check 2. Other parts to be checked are the slide plate, together with the sided guiding plate, the caster and his O-rings, the handling reinforcements and the tightening of the locking knob, and finally, if we have it, the status of the feed drive. Check 3. In case the roller must be changed, we can easily switch it, removing the two fixing screws. If by any means, once we remove the first one, the other rotate together with the shaft, and therefore doesn't unscrew, we can block the shaft itself on the other side with a bigger Allen key. Then we can push the shaft out of the roller and switch this last with a new one. Changing the front roller for the feed drive is also very easy. Of course, we can do that while the feed drive is assembled to the machine too. We remove the two screw fixing it and slide it out. It is a whole spare part, so it must be completely changed when worn out. What we must be careful to is the orientation when mounting the new one. The teeth must be positioned so that, when the roller rotates, they cling on the slats. Check 4. The TSC 200 presents an electronic box which provide continuous monitoring over the status of the machine. The first light can be green, connected to power supply, blue, running without load, yellow, running with load, and red, overload. The second one can be green, tools okay, yellow, plan a tool check, and red, tool check and eventually change. Finally, the third one indicates if green, that the machine is okay. If yellow, that we have to plan a maintenance for it. If red, that we have to grease, clean, and control it. A special key fitted in the electronic box help us making the reset once we're finishing the required operations. It reset all 3 time-based control at once. Check 5. To run the machine, first, we need to switch on the safety switch on the electronic box, and then the one on the machine. Once we shutted the machine down from the safety button on the electronic box, to start working again, we need to switch off on, also the one on the machine.